Beat your best scores with these great golf tips. Golfing has been enjoyed by millions since the early 1400s. Golf has changed over that time, but it is still relaxing and extremely enjoyable. This video will give you some great golfer tips and tricks that will help you the next time you head to the course. Golf clubs. Tip. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to consider checking with a golf professional before buying a new club or set of clubs. The information they can provide will be instrumental in purchasing the correct clubs for you, because they can tell you which type will fit you best and data about cutting-edge products. Your entire body can really help you out in the sport of golf. Your arms shouldn't be the only source of power. Your body should be involved in the club movement. Looking for how to swing a golf swing? The right golf clubs will help you. We've already done all the hard work selecting the best golf clubs for you. Just check out link to featured golf clubs at top of this golf blog. You will be able to control the ball farther without swinging your arms as forcefully. One of the most important things you need to learn about golf swing is how to incorporate a proper club grip. Try gripping soft, but firm grip on your club to maximize your swinging potential. Hold the golf club like you are holding a small bird. Tip. Make sure to use your body to your advantage while you play. Your arms shouldn't be the only source of strength, your whole body should be. When you swing the club, your body should always stay 100% behind your swing. Wiggling your toes can tell you much about your posture as you take a golf swing. If you can wiggle your toes easily, then you are most likely leaning too far away from the golf ball. Don't take your golfing too seriously, remember that it's a game. Mistakes will happen and you need to have the ability to laugh about them or about yourself, and this will lead to you relaxing, which will help you relax. Tip. To have a great swing, you must develop all your body strength to put behind it. A lot of beginners think their arms should carry the swing and end up with a weak swing by employing this misconception. Sweet spot. Each golf club in existence has its own sweet spot. When you hit your ball squarely with the sweet spot on the face of the club, which is the exact location on the club that provides you the most accuracy and distance if you strike the ball at that point. For those looking to buy golf clubs, you've come to the right place. Check out link to featured golf clubs at golfstoreblog.com or visit golfstoreblog.com for more great golf deals. Practice with clubs to find their sweet spot, remembering to make contact at the absolute bottom of your swing. Tip. Wiggling your toes helps you figure out the correct posture as you are getting ready to swing the club. If this action causes your feet to shift significantly, then you are not properly balanced over the ball. When you are putting, always ensure that your left hand is in front of the ball. Maintain this position throughout your swing. For those looking to buy Callaway golf clubs, you've come to the right place. Check out link to featured golf clubs at golfstoreblog.com. If you're faced with a long putt, then you should concentrate your focus on what speed you hit your ball with. This will give you don't overshoot the hole and your putt. Tip. When playing golf, do not be so serious. All sports contain mistakes, and this is no different. If at all possible, golfing with good players and study their technique. There are a variety of ways you can gather from a talented golfer. You do not need to find a pro to get help from a player better than you. To really get a powerful swing going, your entire body needs to be involved, especially your legs and torso. Tip. Each of your golf clubs will have its own sweet spot, a spot where, if you strike the ball with a great swing, you will get nearly perfect accuracy. Clubs are each individuals, and the sweet spot varies from club to club. Golf blog. Always start each swing with your feet positioned in proper alignment. This is one of the greatest golf swing. You should set your feet at a 90-degree angle to the place you wish the ball should travel. We certainly hope you are enjoying this golf blog. Be sure to also visit link featured golf clubs at the top of this golf blog for a great selection of high-quality golf clubs at superb prices, or visit golfstoreblog.com for more great golf deals. Tip. Before you go to play, stretch and drink a lot of water. For this reason, taking care of your body can add to your golfing success. Every golfer has different weights, height and body structure, so a golfing club that works exceptionally well for one player, so a club that will work for a single golfer might not work for another. Getting the club tailor-made for your proportions can help your game. There are many reasons why golf remains a popular pastime. You could improve your game by applying these tips. Tip. Learning to keep score is a very useful skill as it pertains to golf. Scores are primarily used to assess how good a player is. Many people are interested in fantastic golf clubs, but many also do not have the knowledge necessary on the topic. You have found the information you require to get going, right here in this video. It is up to you to apply the ideas you have learned today. Visit golfstoreblog.com for more tips on what are the right golf clubs for you. See you next time.